Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's so good to have you, and to all our amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love and support on our last recipe. Today we're making something special. Simple egg pancake. Soft, fluffy, and packed with flavor. Let's get started by adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt into a sieve. Then gently sift them together for a smooth, lump-free mix. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of milk. Then mix it all together until you get a smooth, creamy batter. You don't want it too thick or too runny, just that perfect, silky, in-between consistency, just like this. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Every click truly means so much to us. Your support is what keeps our kitchen full of love and new recipes every week. Now let's continue. Now spray some cooking oil on a pan over medium heat. Pour or ladle your batter onto the pan. Did you know? Cooking on medium heat keeps the pancake soft inside while getting that golden crisp outside. After about a minute, flip it over. Some of you asked, how do I know when it's time to flip my pancake? Well, it's easy. Just read the bubbles. Once you start seeing bubbles form around the edges and a few in the center, that's your sign. It's time to flip. Once you flip it, cook the other side for about a minute or until it turns a beautiful golden brown. You'll notice that amazing aroma. That's how you know your pancake is perfectly done and ready to enjoy. Once it's ready, you can melt a little butter on top. That's totally optional, but adds a rich, creamy touch. Then drizzle some maple syrup for that sweet kick of flavor. Pure perfection. Now just look at that, golden, fluffy, and so tempting. I think my cameraman's already eyeing a bite. Let's cut a slice and dig into these simple, delicious pancakes. Serve warm and enjoy with your family and friends. Soft, flavorful, and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.